Hello everyone, have you ever found creating address labels for your WooCommerce store to be a burden? It's time to put an end to that with WebToffee's WooCommerce Address Labels plugin. The WooCommerce Address Labels plugin is a pro add-on to WebToffee's free WooCommerce PDF Invoices, packing slips, delivery notes, and shipping labels plugin. So make sure to install and activate the free plugin before installing the pro add-on. Before we proceed, let's take a quick look at the features offered by the WooCommerce Address Labels plugin. Upon installing the free plugin and its pro add-on, head to Invoice/Packing from the WordPress dashboard. If you're just starting out, you'll go through a setup wizard to add the basic shop details, select order statuses for invoice attachments, and create a unique invoice numbering system. You can bypass this step by clicking the Skip Invoice Setup button. Now you'll be redirected to the Documents tab of the plugin. In the General tab, you can add your basic company details and address information, and configure a few general options. Next, go to the Documents tab and click on Address Labels to access the address label settings. If you're an existing user, simply go to Invoice/Packing from the WordPress dashboard, and click on Address Label to access the address label settings. Under the Customize tab, you'll find the option to choose a layout for the address label. Click on Change Layout to select a suitable layout. Alternatively, you can pick layouts from the Layouts drop-down menu in the Editor panel. You can further customize the layout by accessing the Editor panel on the right. Under the Address Type drop-down, select the preferred address type for the label. If you select Shipping Address and Billing Address, the shipping and billing addresses provided by the customer at the time of purchase will be displayed on the address label. When you select from Address and Return Address, the address details specified under the General settings will be shown in the label. Additionally, under the Layout Properties drop-down, you can adjust the overall layout by modifying its width, height, number of rows and columns, font size, and more. Once you have made the necessary customizations, click on Save to save the template. If no templates currently exist, this template will be activated automatically. If you do have existing templates, click on the three-line menu and activate it. Under the My Templates section, you can view, activate, edit, or delete your existing templates. Now, let's generate address labels for a few WooCommerce orders. Start by navigating to the WooCommerce Orders section from the dashboard. Select the orders for which you wish to generate address labels. Then, from the Bulk Actions drop-down, choose Print Address Label and click on Apply. The address labels for the selected orders will be generated, each displaying the respective shipping address. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful content. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments section below, and for personalized assistance, reach out to our customer support team.